始めましょうかな。今はい。Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to my video with Konichi. And today we are going to talking about. Nope, not that one. No, that one. No, not that one. My God! So recently I was thinking about, should we talking about safety in cosplay action performance? Let's make a video. いきますよかな. We have a rules here. Alright! Rules number 1! Wear a fit footwear. That's it. No, seriously. That's it. Rules number 2! Never ever make your own shoes using Avapol like this. Yeah, I made these shoes. It's a Naruto. It's made of Avapol. This is good. You can make it too. It's really easy, but don't use these shoes to do actual performance because this material is basically used for these shoes. Inside of it, like this. This is the Avapol. It's better to make a cover shoes to become a custom cosplay shoes. Like this! Wow! So you have a shoe, a fit, very good shoe for your foot, and you put Avapol and make a cover like this. It's gonna much better because it fit, it's nice, it's real shoes. And the rules number 3! Always check the stage. There's two types of stages. First is the permanent stage. Usually it's made of brick. It's very hard. It's very durable, but it's super hard. And the second one is not permanent stage. It's usually made of wood and put kind of carpet on the surface of the wood. Please check the stage. So you need to make sure everything on the stage is clear. No puddle, no banana skin, plastic stuff, you know, it's gonna ruin your performance if there's some kind of trash thingy on the stage. Just please make sure everything is super duper clear. But there's the consequence to not stick on the rules. Sometimes humans don't want to stick to the rules, right? Me also. If you are not stick to rules number 1, when you didn't wear a fit shoes, it's gonna reduce your movement, any movement on your performance. Not even doing running or jumping or kicking or flipping or many things. Even for walking, yeah, it's gonna be so annoying you. So hard to move in here. Number 2, when you are made your own shoes instead of make a cover, it's gonna increase the potential to fall off. Why? Because Avapol like this is usually slippery. Wearing an Avapol, and number 3, when you are not checking the stage, sometimes you're gonna find some kind of a trash, like plastic, or paper. When you step on it, it potentially make you fall off because it makes sure everything's clear. That's simple. But you know what? I need to make a shoes because my costume is super odd. My costume is like a monster thingy. My costume is mecha thingy. I cannot make a cover because it's so big. Hiya! Alright, so let's talking about it anticipation. Sometimes we always don't really want to stick to the rules I already told. So I have an anticipation for it. Number one, when you didn't wear a fit footwear, you can make it fit. Ooh, I got a sandal here. Yep, in the cosplay we need to wear sandals and do action performance. It's very easy, it's very simple. First, you can glue your sandal with your shocks. Every samurai, every shogun or any character in anime, they have socks, right? So you can glue the socks to the sandal so it will stick much more better. You know, sometimes I don't want to glue my costume, I cannot wash it. Okay, if you don't want to glue it, you can add some rope, like transparent rope or flesh colored rope to your foot. So it's gonna be more stick and fit around the sandals. Number two, sometimes cosplay is very fantasy. So you can make your own shoes, but when you already make it, this is your custom shoes. So make sure in the surface you have this material. It's called anti-slip evapor, and you can apply that thing on the surface. It will reduce the potential of slippery on the shoes. And the last. Okay, it's much. And the last one, when you are not checking the stage, you fell off on the stage. No, it should happen. First, try to roll your body. If you fell off to the left, try to roll. If you fell off to the back, turn your body and go rolling. If you cannot do the rolling to turn your body to the left, to the right, or to the back, so try to put your hand like this, like this. Never do this. It's gonna break your body. This area. So try to fold like this and turn your body. Just try to turn your body and focus where you're gonna fall down. I hope with this video I could help you in your cosplay project in future. Stay wise and keep your positive vibes. Biar gak cringe gitu lah bro. You got it? Should I make a poses? Because it's a kind of a tutorial action thing. It's like Kamen Rider poses. 大丈夫ですか? いいですか? ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。はい、行きましょう。Maybe I'll be like, 言ってろ！遠くに！おい、一体何だこれ！氷点下な！俺？なんだろう！じゃあ、言ってろ！俺！三条！ Thanks to watch my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe my channel. See you in the future.